Hey, what's up guys, how is it going? Welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be looking at how you can actually invest your money with Owealth under Opay. Literally, you might have heard about, or you might actually want to invest your money in the Opay app. But in this video I'm gonna show you and walk you through the whole process on how you can actually invest your money in Opay, which is Owealth as well. And I already made a video on how I explain every features under the finance page on Opay mobile app. So as well as there is a particular amount that I actually have in my Opay account, which is around 56 naira as at when I installed the app. So but here I installed the 56 naira on Opay by app, and this is the return I have so far on the balance, which is 69.38 naira. So that was so far, and after I invest that 56 naira, I think I've getting 11 naira per day, which that's around 7 days now. So, and I guess this is actually interesting, and I feel like I should just put more money under the app so that I can be able to earn more, and probably at the end of the day I'll be able to use it for recharge card or something else. So and now I add extra 3,000 naira to my account, and totally I have 3,125. so that's my total balance right now. So what I actually want to do is invest all the money on my Owealth on Opay. So I'm gonna do is just click on the finance page, then scroll down to the Owealth investment. So, and this has 15% interest rate on a daily basis, as it was stated. So enjoy daily return and withdraw at any time you want. So then I'll click on the Owealth, and you can see this is the balance which I already earned with 56 naira, which I put in my Opay and Owealth as well. So I can actually turn on auto invest anytime money enter my account. I'll be able to invest the money automatically. So, and you can see the yesterday income was around 11.58 naira. So the total income is 69.38 naira. So what I'm gonna do now is click on the invest and see what's in there, and then how much should I be expecting on a daily basis. Okay, now so here is they asked me to input the amount to invest, and then here is my total balance of 3,056 naira. So I'll click on invest all, since I'm investing everything. So yeah, we have if you invest 3,056, your estimate return will be 1.17 naira, 30 days, and 30 days for 35 naira, and yearly will be 458. So literally, if you look into this, this kind of like is not accurate, because when I even input 56 naira on the account, and I was able to get 11 naira per day. So why they have to now put 3,000 naira and be getting 100 naira per day, or 1 naira per day? So it doesn't make any sense. But what I actually want to do is just to invest the money and then see what happen in the next 24 hours. So I will see what happens in the next 24 hours. So I'll just continue with the next option here. So it's loading. Yeah, so you're about to pay 3,056 naira with your balance for your order. So the fee charge, no charges, and at the end of the day I will end up having 0 naira in my Opay balance. So I'll just click and proceed to run it. Okay, allow payment via fingerprint, yes. Okay, so yeah, so ask me to enter my pin, so I'll just do that. Okay, this works successful. So 3,556 has been debited from my account. So, and I should be expecting a return of the investment, which is ROI, in the next 24 hours. So these are some other investment options which I can actually go into if I want to. So there are more saving products available in Opay and may meet your multiple savings goal. So we have fixed saving, target savings, save bulks, and spend and save. So I did explain all these other options on the video, on one of my videos, so I upload last week. Yes, so you can find the video around the top corner here, that right or left. So then I'll just click on done, since I already invest the money. So then click on done. So yeah, you can see this is everything I have. So I'll wait till 24 hours and see what I actually have. Then I'll definitely make another video regarding how much I earn and how much they pay me, if truly they pay 1 naira per day, or if truly they pay the normal 15% rate for the for the 3,156 that I invested. So I'll be waiting to see what's up, and then if actually this investment actually worth it or not. So this is all I have for you in this video, and I'm very sure you all expect it to worth it, so that you can be able to invest your money with less stress using the Opay app. So thank you for watching, and if you have any question regarding the app or regarding the investment, can let me know through the comment section, and I'll reply to it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.